Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix removed managed or how to fix or remove the managed by your organization in Chrome in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together, and with that, you would be able to open this small window. Where here you need to tap for regedit and click on OK to proceed. Wait until your user account can proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission and running this window as administrator. So here you need to go with hkey underscore local underscore machine. Click this forward arrow, proceed with software, click this forward arrow, go with policies, click this forward arrow, and choose Google. Click this forward arrow again and go with Chrome. And once you have selected it, proceed to the center of the screen and look for two file folders which are Chrome Cleanup enabled and Chrome Cleanup supporting enabled. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have that since you face an error. So just have to delete all of the two file folders, or I'm sorry, the two file value, and delete it such. Okay? Again, look for Chrome Cleanup enabled and Chrome Cleanup supporting enabled. How to delete? Do a right click and go with delete. Once you have deleted the two values, close all of these paths that we have just opened. Might as well as the registry editor and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, navigate to your Google Chrome, double tap to it, and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. So let's just have to wait. And once it's here, proceed to the upper right side of the screen, click these three dots and look for the options, which is, look for an error if it's still persisting here next to exit. Okay? So simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.